In this video, we will see how to fix error. Microsoft Office has detected a problem with this file on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of Microsoft Office error, either Word or Excel, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is right click on Start button and choose Settings. Here in Settings page from the left side, go to Apps. Thereafter, go to right side and here click on Installed Apps. And in search field, type Office and you will find a result Microsoft Office. Click on three horizontal dot against Microsoft Office and choose Modify. A pop-up window will appear. Choose yes. And how would you like to repair your Microsoft Office 365 and offline programs? Office programs, choose Quick Repair and click on Repair. And follow on a screen instruction to complete the repairing process of your Microsoft Office. And check whether your Microsoft Office error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open Microsoft Office program, any Word or Excel file. And here from the top left corner under menu bar, click on File and go to More and choose Options. Click on Options. Thereafter, a new page will open. Here from the left side, choose Trust Center. And from right side, choose Trust Center Settings. Here you will find under macro settings, disable all macros with notifications and disable all macros without notification. Choose any one of them. You must ensure that any one of these two options will selected and click on OK. And check whether your Microsoft Office error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. And the next one is open control panel in your system. And here go to Windows Defender Firewall. From the left side, click on Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off and temporarily disable Windows Defender Firewall under both the network, under private network as well as public network. Temporarily disable your antivirus software. If you have already installed a third-party antivirus, then temporarily disable it. And once your problem is resolved, don't forget to turn on Windows Defender Firewall or your antivirus program and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on Start button and choose Run. You may press Windows key plus R shortcut key to open Run dialog box and here type WinWord/save. If you are facing such type of office error in Microsoft Excel, then replace Word with Excel. WinExcel/save. We will check in Word. So type WinWord/save, click on OK. This will open Microsoft Word in save mode. So try to open your Microsoft program, Office, Word or Excel in save mode. And check whether you are still facing your issues even after using save mode. Then go to the next fixes, open Microsoft Word file again and update your Microsoft Office. Click on Files, go to More, click on More from the left side and choose Account. Here scroll down and you will find the option Microsoft 365 and Office Updates. Update option, click on a small arrow against Update options and choose Update Now. So update your Office and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Scan your system. Go to Windows Search, type CMD and open Command Prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. choose run as administrator, and in command prompt windows, execute the command first these three DISM tool one by one as shown on screen: DISM online scan health, DISM online check health, and DISM online restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt windows. Don't forget to press enter after each entry. And once successfully execution of these three DISM tool on your system, execute the command sfc scan now. Same process, type sfc/scan now and press enter and wait till 100% verification complete. After that, don't forget to restart your system. Your Microsoft Office error definitely be resolved. That's all.